ring tham sa yo I tiêu hả hôm nay cái 사태가 상음세 It's so easy to fall in love. It's so easy to fall in love. People tell me love's a fool. Here I go, breaking all the rules. It seems so easy, yeah, so dark and easy. Whoa, it seems so easy, yeah, when you're concerned, my heart can learn. It's easy to fall in love. It's so easy to fall in love. Look into your heart and see what your love has set aside for me. It seems so easy, oh yeah, so dark and easy. Whoa, it seems so easy, yeah, when you're concerned, my heart can learn. It's so easy to fall in love. It's so easy to fall in love. Really, it's so easy to fall in love. Sayang isn't it? Whoa, it seems so easy, yeah, when you're concerned, my heart can learn. It's so easy to fall in love. 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 그동안 It's so easy to fall in love. It's so easy to fall in love. Krishna.
Hello. Yari, mom thang le. Ngala mom tha. Okay. Ning shinai re isu ilasio nimyo pi mohong. Arava short speech wivang atam hi TKS Vice President Yarsho Omri ning siyam ni atam mille.
Lekiang Zin Ning Sherry remake up the Tankul Gatamnao Saglong we office with Truina the Tungajivali Ringapa Shalam He Quiramid Lay remake up the Iwiningashi Zetikel we president and colleagues organizing committee the Tungajivali Ringapa Ningshi Pongshok Lay Ache 33rd General Conference Zetikel we Hili Tangkul Gatamnao Saglong Gatamnao Long Chief we Avavu Akasada Natumna Hitadar Ring Palak Aina Matan to Topena Itumli welcome Gasa Mang Mujila Natumna Itumli Aman Saglak Haya Legacy Banglan Sakami Hiwang That Luida Ringapa Ningshi Pongshok Lay Iwi Kia Iwi Ringapa Ajirazang Haya dignitaries, honorable leaders, distinguished guests, respected pastor participants, Kala Legacyang Sot Down, Natum Gichi Valila Mingay Lay Gajangkada Ajihi Ishiwi Honorable President Mr. Ramrichan Kaching Ranganingijine Ka Mapan Gabay NSF we emergency Presidential Council like Hauguda Aja Amrara Ture Jita Sala Awi Ringapa Shalam Razangahaya Singtun Luyam Hili Leda Clay Ima Dankuna Wuchi Vili Hangjipun Lay Remake up the Natum Gachi Vili Hitada Hangai Itum Naga now, Naga in general, Kala Tangkul in particular, He Itum. Semgasa, Kala Sakaisa, Jilala, Aja, Hili Ragazib the clay, Kanui taught Itum we Bangli, Lako, Gujihi, remake up the Natum lay Hitada Hangai. Jiwi Vangina, Itum. Kokasada Iyur. Masemka sila Semkasa jika itum Kechicawi individual interest Kala individual akawi Igo hi Horhausa Kala iyurwi Kaman aspiration Jiwi Shongza jili Itum Koka Ninka Yang Kasada Ningang Rumse Gajihi remake up the Natumle He appealed Sangai Former US President John F. Kennedy na hitada hangahai lately. Asks not what your country can do for you, but what you can do for your society. Kachine. Itum individual avavuhi, kala kunui tot avavuhi, itumi saran varan liko. Yurna society na, kuna church na, avavana, sakami. Samirano the Jimang li Jihan the Ka, itum upon high by me. Ka, itum, mi pu avavu. Itum we responsibility lay, Gaji Tailaka, itum the Kisaran, itum the Kivaran, Gaji Tailaka, itum, na Yur Wivang, Church Wivang, Ram Wivang, Society Wivang, Long now Wivang, the itum na Sami Gigajine, Kala itum the Sagi Gijine. Aj 33rd General Conference of Zetikel Hili team lead the way Hiling Sunlaka ina Kanui taught Akawi roll Naga Nation Shemga Hili Kanui taught Akawi roll Kilay Klerg Hit Yawmaker points Akakani in a share Sangai remake up the preserving identity and culture Naga Knui taught Avavasada, Kala Naga now Avavasada, Itum na, Ituming Shan he, Aman Satlak Aina, Parihai Pungra. Hanga Haile, Ituming Shan Hina, Itumi identity ne, da Hang Haidle. Ka Aj taught Hili Itum, Western Rono or or maninga ka itum raisang kamaya Asian countries kala Asian mi European way culturally assimilate sa tu hey laka itum wing shan hya ka shang la ka leidak la hi we aman ka sak mathaila atum wing shan ba hi le crazy zat laka itum hom thui ga hai le itum na chi tha thui ga hai atam tran itum wing shan shiman ga hai atam tran itum we identity hi laka shiman sara chi tha hauda khnui thot avu hina preserving identity and culture of the Naga hi aman saklak aina khwiming sakngai khaniali education and awareness gatam gshu ari hon thot hi le gatam gshu kala technology hi advance salak in a lei ima tangkhul hi la hi le ngom laka hi wi thak hi zang vai da zatlei क्या ख मवा शुंगर साल क्या ख ngazan साल la tangkhul gatam naw saklong hina spearhead sal kha ke shop ena tangda hiwi hili tangkhul gatam naw saklong hiwi phungwa sa de kleiping hina hotna rat le hiwi shongza zat de klei hili itum mi avuna kala tamshida klei khnui thot avuna la na thumwi ningrin na thumwi sa khangai ba khangai ka tong hi horsang chaw lukha whatsapp lungra tamshu lungra chitha hai akha ma na ina itum yur sem ga ka hili itum pingbang lak ene shor khui ga pai le ari hon thot hili itum education malay akha apong chung khaina itum mi piaw ga hai tha da le chiwi wangai na itum gatam ga shi hili saklak aina khui phungra kala war term tam khui ga highway aman ga sakhi itum mi ga chivli kala itum we observing ra agtong ra kala shogra de kleya khnui thot ping lila itum na hiwe aman ga sakhi pass on sa phungra ga ji hi ga khania point sa da hangai ga chumali promoting unity and peace itum reisang sa haksang sa kala semga sa jaka itum khokha ga sa hi dar ga sai khokha ga sa hi lei haya kha itum we apam hili chingri ga hai leira itum individual akhawi interest individual akhawi ego hili hakmaida sakmaida khui ga haya tam tran itum miyur jiga itum naga miyur itum tangkhul naga miyur we common aspiration ba hili sakdama khui atam chitran itum we apam hili itum with differences hak na hawda itum khokha ga sahi mukhira paimra kha itum we ego itum we individual interest ga chiwi hi hor hai lakha itum we common aspiration brain itum ni mi ga haya itum we khanmet itum we ngashan aman ga sakhi ba hi focus salaka itum ga zat atam jitran jingri hai khirara jingri ga hai khokha ga sa khirara khokha ga sa khira atam tran itum we society itum we luyam hili chingri hai li ra ka chi hi hangai le chi wi wangai na khnui thot itum bing hi ba a gen of peace a gen of unity avu sada itum ngadinga phlung ra gala chi wi alung li itum otsa phlung ra ka chi hi tha da hangai le comedially advocating Naga rights itum na shim tolan kri kha chui da sakal la phaisa manan tap aina itum ga pili la ga bam la yaw thui la phaisa ji hor ga chup la ga or phaisa li pi la ga ring sal la itum we mashun mang hai atam chitran na itum ring da kan khnam leim ne chi wi wangai na aj itum we naga we khan ring shongza thui ga haya awo ayina ashi char hamlaka ningra miere ko aj khnui thot itum ping hiwa man ga sakthai laka itum nang ningran hai ko itum na ogthui we ring pa bali ngishan zat laka ogthui we ga sangbai ling ngishan zat laka itum we ngishan aman saklak aina awo ayina ashina charaina manglaina hamlakang ngagrag hai itum ngalei itum mushun itum lai thwe kha itum khon gising sara Naglim for Christ the awai ping na kala thui ka higher generation ping na nging rami ka hai itum aremale muyor zai se kala shiman sa ka hai nsang sakai se ki hi hangai ye Knawale entrepreneurship and economic development itumwe mirin pan hili kala itumwe shongza zada klei hili itum economically itum sound masa khala itumwe od manga ka chi hi masa khar ma ba khar le ba mai chiwi wangai na khnui thot akasada innovative salak aina leida klaya khnui thot akhawi skill ji itum promote sangrum pungra kala chili tom laka itum we use sem ga kala economically reason khawai apong phada klai chili itum la pangsing rum laka satlungra gi hi hangai ye chiwi wangai na khnui thot itum bing itum naga miyur hi itum we naga nation hi lang me da itum tangkhul miyur hi semga sa jakha na iwi participation haklak aina leikho chiwi wangai na I tam shidak le or itum na sadak le ot manga ga chi hi chang na rem ga haim leila kha ga khang wi lung ne kala determination leilak aina akhaman na I khisangai khlei gi vision hi mission hi leilaka itum otsa phungra gi hi thada hangai khnui thot itum ping shimkhur wiwang society wiwang kala yur wiwang akagazanga kala burden khangsa mungsa hai se responsible salak hai khnui thot avav sada tangkhul zingtung luiram Jumei pang mei saksa kala imayur naga jumei pang mei saksa gi hi na chumni hangai saigorally sokami kala ringapha ni dring sa serno gi khanaw sada na chumni shalam hi hangchi pun ni chitli koknalim
Nchila khaire ishiwi TKS Vice President Yarsho Omrining Shenli awi short speech we na itum yuring ashan kala education kala khokha kasawi importance we kan khanawi maramni remind kasawang ning shinla khaire ara atam hi itum special appearance leira hi ishiwi talented sala kahaya Yarsho songayai chhong nawli atam midle cho yari gadong khana Yarsho songayai wang pangla kana baw si cho
Hello, check, hello. Ding dun bring balik lay. Ilo kumang ning sinay. Ari na lasagi ji. Teat 5 seconds of summer ne. Some days you're the only thing I know, only thing that's burning when the nights grow cold. Can't look away, beg you to stay, sometimes you're a stranger in my bed. Don't know if you love me or you want me dead. Push me away, beg me to stay, call me in the morning to apologize. Every little lie gives me butterflies. Something in the way you look into my eyes, and don't know if I'm gonna make it out alive. Fight so dirty, but your love so sweet. Talk so pretty, but your heart got teeth. Late night, never put your hands on me, and never let go. Fight so dirty, but your love so sweet. Talk so pretty, but your heart got teeth. Late night, never put your hands when I look at you, I see my wife. Then you turn into somebody I don't know. And you push me away, push me away. Call me in the morning to apologize. Every little lie gives me butterflies. Something in the way you look into my eyes. And don't know if I'm gonna make it out alive. Fight so dirty, but your love so sweet. Talk so pretty, but your heart got teeth. Late night, never put your hands on me. And never, 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 ever let go. Fight so dirty, but your love so sweet. Talk so pretty, but your heart got teeth. Late night, never put your hands on me. Never, 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 ever let go. Blood on my shirt, rose in my hand. You're looking at me like you don't know who I am. Blood on my shirt, holding my hand, still beating. Fight so dirty, but your love so sweet. Talk so pretty, but your heart got teeth. Late night, never put your hands on me. Never, 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 ever let go. Fight so dirty, but your love so sweet. Talk so pretty, but your heart got teeth. Late night, never put your hands on me. Never, 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 ever let go. Never, 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 ever let go. Thank you.
Wow, that was an amazing performance. Cho Yari, Arila, Yarsho, Song Yawa, Abang Pangla, akan nag-face, Cho Yari. Cho, issue Yarsho, Song Yayla, Ning Shila Kai Re, Man Nako, Song Yay, Na Tata Itong Laman Ngay Ko. Cho, Arva, issue the most important part of our event, issue poetry competition, hi quick how Vice Hare, Jena, serial number la itum na laser hai re unit ka tong hui wang na tum na ka chawi serial number ji ningli hai mi lo je na itum hi competition ni ma ha program la ka ari hi participants units ka tong hui poetry competition ni zangi da clay participants being stagely sits ngaran mi hai hili ka pam yaw lo units ka tong hui participants poetry competition ni zangi being ji stage ling ran kai sit chili apam ka khui meolo natum we sit chi khui man laga issue we respectable judge issue poetry competition we judge li atam mitle criteria chi hang mi khwai
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Razangaya Kayashi Kinga Sako really welcome Salushita Lele on behalf of the ZTKL 33rd Conference, Students Conference. Ning Shilakari Atam Kami Wivang program poetry competition slated side the clay hilly Yaruli Hida the Jitingai. Kajagat had a judge Sagi Gijikla Gaji Kala certain areas event hiwi. Helipam the clearly participants being here atomly briefing la saira reda pau mi gaya tissue da atumui poem hi submit sa gai ne jena kresa da poem hi kachikata model la ka dargar sau gida Shakespearean sonnet model lena base sada atum de kapiralo da kapisang gai ne kala atum na poem hi option khani khami ne aka choose sa khui laga chile base sada kapi gi chine area jina number 1 rivra with tamsak we takamte ka khani apana iram we thingna raha one shivar kala sayur vayu the area khani li aka we na choose sada atum na chile base sada poem hi present saki gi ji misangai ne judges being we pangli le here kala atum na hili presentation recite ka saki gi ara marks ya atum le judge kasahi firstly physical expression atum we presentation facial expression body language hi katong hi yangra presentation ka sa thrandi poem chili consistency like amale kala china atum express sadak leji justify sagam sagla gi kakneli content chili all right secondly content presentation he written submitted work kala hili recitation the khani area khani hili judge sagi jine kagathumali diction intonation tangkul tuyena tangkul tui literature kala enrichment itumui culture we encouragement itumna keolido atumli katamnauli encouragement ni lengayau gida kasane jena tangkul tuyena presentation sagi jili diction intonation he we area li yangra and last but not the least exposition at least not less than 2 questions ngahangi gijine each participants li so altogether 300 marks niji there are 3 judges and there will be 300 marks altogether then as for the time allotment total 5 minutes out of which 1 minute hina firstly self introduction and highlighting about the poem atumna present sagi ji poem jiwi highlight sakamida 1 minute time allotment 2 minutes for recitation and the remaining 2 minutes heli exposition time niji jena participants atang hangai rekha thada participants being he are turn by turn heli stage lira laga presentation kasahi lot in a picsa guy ne atumna self introduce rasaru no kala I wish them all the very best so you can just leave your note here
Ningshla khaire shi we judge li kajishat ha sau ke students parliament li zangi the clay participants students parliament li zangi the clay units katong hui participants issue we judge will left side vakji sit ngaran haid le chena nathum na kathak wi along li sit chira khimilo once again kachishat sa ke students parliament li participate sa ke the clay units katong hui participants being nathum na judge we left side li chair ngaran mi ka haid li sit ra khimilo kala issue we poetry competition hi hapok vai sau se chena nathum na serial number wise shock milo in a mawau li ga nathum na turn by turn shock laga nathum we best is hello all the very best
Hello Zingdun Lai Kyang Azin Iwi Aming na Jijin Shangjam I Talui Gatam Nalong we Matun Sada Ari Abam Hiling Ling the Clane Itum we Kiashi by Kiashi Kangi judges Hilirang Romikaya Colonel Bing Now Shinao Bing Ibing a sort now Bing Psychorally the Lugadam Nalong we Matunala Ningashi Lakashi Galakiagashi Pongshok the Lay Ina Achu Abam Hili Kangaling he Iwi Gashula Sam the Tumni Pangarung Hawaii Kangaling ne iwi lasem hi ina iwi khamashida mi akhawi maram ni ini wi relationship wi abongli machuglaga kapi khai lasem ne iwi lasem wi tuibong na khamashida ini samphang khari thang ningluma na atam ji ma phning ngungli arui rashungda iwi khaluma na khalairam ining leidalai nali shitsanga makhalan mara nawi chanhan iningli penlaka ning lumjing nana machin mi lakra nana ka hang tui ta cham laka nali khangaso atam chingri hai mi ka taili na ngatai phulung ka changkhat iwiwang kala mahai ka chot tharan nali phaning chinga o ka thui kanda na ka tha sam khangai manurim apam chili bamrum ngai jijin changcham tali ka tom naw long
Hello, Jijin.
hello sir
Now we sonnet we rhyme scheme maintain saye, syllable jila maintain saye, palage. Ka now we hear it we topic at juda where we temsak we take kamatek in achna. Ka khniana iram we tingna raha one chiwar kala sayur wayur gijine. Now we kamashida gajibahi iwi kapninglia. It we topic we end up delha kangate thai katala now we rhyme scheme gala syllable maintain sa hai jiwang ring phalage sonnet soklake na gtie ka in hili akang han khai bawa now we last line ba manurim apam jili pam ngrungai kajine og thui kanda manurim na pam ngrungai kajine now we he ring room khangai la maning mane ok thui room khangai la maning mane pam room khangai ni ji ka tha da na explain thar do pam room khangai ka pam jaga ira do pam ga pam room ai jita ya
iwi hi pam room ngai ga chi hi ring room khangai nga so da mir o ga thui hi wi na kan hui sa la la ka jingram chili wa khring tharan mirin pai da katang makhawai chili nga so da pam room ngai da express ka sane sir
thank you
Hello, Jijin.
hello sir
Our first question is Hanai Ka here the Hangai Luye Jia ZTK na kami topic maning na nana kamashida da kapida lahi Kichui wangai na nana jaka thukta kala jaka sakda koi laga kamashida jibahi kapi how kala jimang mi bayre
hang mi ge topic hi iwa clear sala ge na sorry kamashida ga ji hi ina lasem ka pi tharan ili ka sat mi la khai topic ka khane iwi ga sho ga jang iwi are hon ring da khlai iwi relationship status li machukla ka kamashida ga chi topic hili tuipong hili ka pi ngai la ga we
Thank you.
cho jing jing ga dam naw long tai da khlai na thong mi sports ring pha mai re no cho
You are Ming Nimshim Glory Revive in a Somdol Gadam now long way represent Sana. You will last him never we temsak we dekamade. Dekamade na temsak. Malang we Murray Sang John me na lemet. Jujomri, my lem sor, lea sor, ring a suck. Zingrod, zingham. One chivarna jite me na tang me. Na tang met. Rampe rampang. Juhui jihai kavat malay, ringza kavai, teng lui, shon lui, gao lui, dim lui, buta lui, wan lui. Gongrana wi uru o kateng mavai, kamating na darumang. Katsara masi kaksui, hamjamri gaha yir kamayig, kapung shanda, miyuri gahai gogdi jamukon nganada, zingin lam, ning mayung asak mi. Sora tot na nali Sosa itodla ali.
thalaga na paire are nali tha nganga ye singin lam ning mayung sak mi ta hangdak le na ning mayung khang sak ji ji matha mai da gala atui khang da na ka tha da expressor ladrida na chipam mata ki tha hangai ning mayung gjiwi kaklat khang te ya khain hang lo ning khamayung wi kaklat
ning kham yung ka jiba ji da nalang da ma phuning kui sala la tra khale bai audience ping wang la ma chuk fai ne a tam sai vai na wi vare wi them sak tek kham dei ji li tek kham dei da khani da repeat sai first quadrant with first line ji li jana so sa da no wi last two lines li la repeat sabo ba me ma chikatha le ye khle ba wa how ko phogli repeat ka sa li ana fora do hoye ka tang li repeat sa ka epistrophe ta jang apostrophe am ning le epistrophe ta hobo ba me ara no we overall sonnet yang ka no we syllable power kapai ma kapai da leere jibaja rhyme baja ta sad le ling phala ge akhonji ngana phala ge ojan la nga hanai re kha ara koten khani ko thum jiliwa khani jiliwa vare wi tek khamte da chuila ke na hakla ke na hang ge jitla laga ajing jiliwa no we personal yang jingin nam ning mayung sak mi da ojan hang ga da yang no we personal feeling ba hang thoya wo jana no we personal feeling na very we them sak relate ka sawi maram ji teu kha mai khayang la
Iwi la sem hui ningwin va vare wi tem sak na itum uklungli matui kami china
ing share jo
le kyang jin iwi aming nang chan soya jing simre ina tenem kitam na long wina na aring jin ina ka pangkhui ga ya kalai na matui pagi jil la siam wi ti guina very rawi temsak wi tek madai jina la siam hina signify sak ngai ba ithumli mikum moli som klepena somi gai riwawi pangthiam wi tek madai kala ji ithum mikum mona khamasung ngai na kala ka thai na myon khwai ka ji signify sak ngai ne very rawi temsak wi tek madai thang khamai worthem otsak wi pangthiam ahup wu legisina khlui hai very Ming tek madai khwai sem apuk apakvu masot mi ali vare sakrin khuida sem mi kummo phari mi lan ngalei ngasan yur tui kumsok kumjang atam ayet ungjaw siri sira wan sivar ajuk pe thotyong ngarin ngajipri phari sang hira mukta mulorder vare lan simandra vare ningrin pheinai thang Mungajaglo, Mayon lo, Varian, Paningda Majau, Tingnam Ting Majuk, mà ta khắc tiếng mà thế về thêm sắc những xe
hello Johnson
hello sir
thalagan paire pada khlejili nana kapa akhno akhyui ktiau kha phai thui gai kazange thalala ithum phapta dale ka ithumna phap magda akha nana nuena therkhui khangaya ka chiana na nui la assembly thot yo ngarin ngazipri pharisang kjehina na khi hang ngai
hi thot yo ngrin ngipri pharisang jihiwa ithumli thot ga jida ithum wi sa ka wa na ithumli yang khami kala ithumli phari khami ithumli kan khami ga jina ka ji signify ga sana sir
thank you no we soneti ma thalage syllable maintain sai rhyme la ma thalage na maintain sai hira mukta malor varelan kiji ka explain sai ngila
ithumli claim mina thada mi ga hai ithumli ok thui ga vai ithumli thada rivana semi ga hai hi ithumwi lanni nam lo khi pai na gala rivana ithumli mi ga hai mirin hi thumwi hira mukta paisai na mang thuki pai mana ga jina sir
okay thank you
ning sia
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, my dear judges, and all my dear friends. Today, sorry. As in Zin, Razangayan zum psychorally ringbaning shipong sok lay. We are mean warning hoy, ring we kadam now long way and represent Gasani. As a gum metric takwilga bomb the cleany, as in a poem topic juice Kasaji, Karebali, forever with himself we take him day, Iram waiting now, ha, one shivaglas, Hayu, the topic in Mihajli in a Kare topic, forever with himself we take him day in a juice Kasane. We last a minute from the young room say, Penning the Moa Shungra variet him. Ngojogong masaikong kikamale kamasaila kahangana awi kagso bangshap na hokwi kagso bangshap na soka kahor leibaji on tuya mangla kabai hagupok miyur jitang hon tang medwi otsak na sokpairala sinalubana semkui sada chang Ngabiyo the octisai iurla. Quira mi bao kapa, kamahayo. Kangajay make a tree, mamitli ma. Mapaning kasaram litanva mi. Shokfura draka, ngazipta zaka. Varewi temsak tekamate. He iwikshir lasemni, nishi.
Onim
Yes.
nuila semhi thanai
Thank you, sir.
ka hile nana ngapeu da okthui sai ihau yula khirami pau kapha khama hayo da sangdak lehi kipana kitharan khirami
Iwi lase mihi kathani, nishnai re question chitadang hank me wang. Ngapiao the oxtisa I how yurla. Ajalaga tangho yur itum we yurhi tada kakshunga meningla 他的没thấy thằng mày là ốc thuy cái sao à tâm li à William Pettigrew nè ít thùng li chính tun ra western song way nè bao cái pa wardam cái là culture hi khuyra mi là cái ít thùng li ra tâm chỉ thấy đó ít thùng là cái sao chỉ vang khuyra mi bao cái pa khama hayo à William Pettigrew nè ít thùng li wardam cái là culture hi mất tâm chỉ thấy thôi chứ azu itum ne hita tang ning tak le itum ne hita ta tuim tui sa tak le itum mi culture dress hita ta malay samre kha ana chita ta kuira khami wang itum mi kulam hai nai ji sa da ina kuira mi bao ka pha khama hayo ta ka bi ne niks ne
Nishlagarem talaga ng hangga mere ka you miss one of my points ina take ngay akawa kitaran dengan ka jimang tre
atom je ila exik vam thei thri
1896
thank you
warning no we celebrate maintain saya ketong lima sat la sadale rhyme scheme bajwa maintain masatore kata la iwi question akhang han khangai pau ga pha khui khraji wore wi them chakne wore wi khangran na dam yaw ge i je baje ka ara shok fura tarak ngijip da zad kha kajin ne jang no we last second line jili jana ma phaning ga saram li thanwami ma phaning ga saram jiga kali khili gang do ji ka explain jagala
ning snai question gang kami juang ma phaning ga saram li thanwami ga ji ina tio me ga imagination we wang ta sang ni ma phaning ga saram ta ram ta sangai ji ta da octot azui octot li le ta da ka nga phial ga sa ni ram ga ji na ta da itum wi wang thei kui pai me ga vai wang ta ram da ga sang ni octot ma pning ga sa ram li than ba me ga ji ma pning ga sa itum na naw da ki li ba shok ni kle ki li wa da zang ni kle ma ga thei than vare na itum li pau ka pha ji mi laga itum na wardam jitam laga ka sa wi wang tha naw da ka da ra sok ni kle da ma thei sal la vare na William Pettigrew li ka so mi da itum li da sam phang khang sa wi wang ma pning ka sa ram li than ba mi ge jin ma pning ka sa octot li than ba ka mi jin na tha da ka chan sa laga khang
thank you pha khame chui khame ya thot yang chili than ma mi ji zai zai ning chere
thank you sir
Maharel kya shi khangya machine makhoi yang me beng kala razang ga ya recycle rele re makeup ta iwe ring pha shala medale iwe aming sojimon rungsung hoye iring ramhon kitam naw long we ne represent gisane are ina bagi gi la semna verivra we temsa kwe dekamade la sem hiwe karin nava verivra na awe zagui khilaga sem ghai we dekamade kala awe ungram we khawat makhalei li kahangna overe na temsak yangla maben ima jangkhu le le gishi malang luima kaphung kapha kongre kongra kya khamata da semi hai Turkan Majela 1 year by the one. Jingum Ajam we vanau kon mavat. Matasek ngakang iwizak mai. Pepang amik kana mating rik. Shiri shira kon na ngavai mi ring kapa. Mikumo sikafu uklung matan ngasak. Tang maida mayon tit servere temsak. Malo kui bai kasak lanli lang da sak may. Mirin we aman kasak tayda oktulo.
Sojimon
Yes, sir.
na poetry ka pitay na
Thank you, sir.
kala kepala pathina dale nawi ningchuk lanana hangta da kleji chiling sun lagai na akha nhanau ge chiana na hile zurkan matela on your peda on da itumwe rivrau te khamate kala itumwi tang khur ko phungwi te khamate ji express kasana da khui chitha kha nana zurkan matela on your peda on da hang haida glea thisu da zur ke jang khon ming miang lakhai on your khani kahang migila itumwi tang khur ko phungdung le zur ke jang khon awon ming miang lakhai awon your khani
Kabaiwan kala saharwan.
zur ke jang ge kho dang
Muthe Teresa.
okay masung nai khai noi je ka zur ke jang on da glai itum tang khur ko phungli ming miang lakhai awon ja shiri ki shong we timrawa na na horamon miang ai dong okay thank you
Thank you, sir.
소지 못노위 소네티 스무트살하게 라임 스킴 컬러 셀레블 바지 메인테인 마살라 생크로센 살하게나 사리 강와이 그박 타다장 아동에나 징도 옆에나 위가 중도 그박 타다 아카바장 쟤는 시리 시라 콘나 너와이미 이런 거 파가지지 이닝 장락에 라인 바지 마타슈네 그 이너 더던날리 한 가해봐 멀로 쿠이바이 그 석런리 랑더 석메 그 석런리 랑더 석메 석락 가해런리 랑더 석메 지내장 지카 explain 사잉글라
Verana se mi khai ngajai mikumo we mirin hi saklake kala okutili verana se mi khai hi okutui we lan ting ting lak lak he sanglela verana se mi khai khangajai hi molokhui bai mane jena kasaga lan li lang da sak me ek jine
okay thank you
Psychology lekhyang zin iwi aming na view sen se pai now e ti shar ka tam no long way na represent sa nei e class 12 tam da lei aje ina pagi ji la sem na very raw we them sak te khamate iwi la sem hi Genesis literature we na khwi shok nei nganok ching nge pik jing hung awi ning phun ning zauri hai na wi them sak ka phung tam ba ka jiwa o amewa wi Temsak sabathai rishing hekamahei siwuk chalang silem makhaila sema zimik kachang siwa apuk apaka amawa wi temsak na injing ri ka hai ka phung shanda in shoni ka tharthai ri kamara shiri shira wan shivar ping chiu jomri kongrei kongra hurok mangkhwida ramphung ramphang yu shangrei machu ngatai ser sakhamashar makhalei Mathasek semhai hauri haurang na soching renu nawi temsakli aton araili pamda nawi temsak nshan pam o amewa nawi temsak imik na nashat saya miring khalai kuchivana nawi temsakli soching ra thank you
refreshing 살하게 림파이 너왜 아밍 here view cn 지가 키지도
view cn
키지 그냥
you hear abbreviation nei na hamyoge very ungram chingri ga hainang chini
오 뭐탈락데 알아
thank you sir
나는 힐이 마 셀레벌 컬러 라임 스킨 바지야 메인테인 마사도레 달라라 아리 in a question by direct avauge Nawi tui naram diga kathakla kjila khachangle jibaji haisa se varivarai na amyaw hing rai chaka 너 그다다 explain 사도 너위 힐리 아메오 그지 그 tum시다 장들리 제나 브리브라이나 아메오 히 그다다 데도
iwi wang ngai chai da khui
오케이
hello
hello sir
no we poetry hi are sona hangai re ina ngahan khangai bana itum kranawan tangdala mashalak rangji tuipa akazandare hi ena na nagapida kleiwi ji kaklachi ngasun naka fulmak miaure ameu wi themsak sapat hai ji kaklat ki ji roi sapat gijbaji
amewa wi themsak sapat hai jiga amewa na itumni ksem hi tada sorry amewa na itumni ksem hi tada mathala gaina kupsangai laga ayadung la gaina semi da khangni
to chili sapat chiragla je naram tuye de jiga tang khul tila kre
tangkhul tuine
okay chiragom ya okay thank you
sir
iwi aming klek mi ronu shimri hoye I ngai nge gadam na long we ne I class 10 thai dele ari ina bagi gji la sem wi tu guina vi rawi temsak wi tekamade o vere wi temsak tekamade paning da majaw apuk apakve zimik gajang sirana apor sai Katuga yire yang lala makui kapung kapa wan chivar le shimei kongre kongra shiri shira pingna ngathor ngazin gazing gukum lasai rekhamataya wi thangmet awar tangkhamang kohorla nawi themsak ngaran mi kadang makhawai lemet mashiman mikumo proho mingli so jigat jingsa resang jonmeli masodla khayala awi sera ning shere
hello
yes sir
oh mathana padai re no we poetry hi kakapila mathadle ina akang hanauge
yes sir
nana hile so chikat jingse reisang chonmeli tahang dakle reisang chonme hi khipa ali aming khangde na la kthei malai
resang jon me hi rali khang nai
okay thank you
sir
칼렉 미노위 소네티 뒤봉질이 뭐지 홀락라 마탈락이네 그 비에 스무트살하게 그 이능 한 가이바와 힐리 너위 second quarter 위 last line 질리 ngthor ngzin kajing gukum la sai ta jangdli jang
yes sir
ngthor la ngzin la kajing kumjing e gijiga 그다다 explain 사도 ngthor ngzin kajing gukum la sai shiri shira wa bina kasane gizla ta ngthor la ngzin la kasaji kajing gumi la la kajing gukum ngthor la ngzin la kajing gum la la ka na answer ka
iwi la sem jui line jina khangwa singum li leidak le wanau bing na thong zin we rau de khamade li la sai ta khang nei share
atam li wanau bing shiri shira na la sai gijira yang thong zin giji appropriate masa na giji ta ka theni ina ka na we explanation jila ta na we ka fning jila me ya bai ning share
participants na tum sai corally remake up the judges we song aina ning shinaire no tum na function him talaga na chipui mere no tum talaga na hot naire kalala no tum na itum li talaga na such there chiwang ning shlagare ar itum hiya kachpana matha mai kap khalag je khanghan sa thyoda kedong na first mata pai thumagda kachpana first tani khalag ji itum khodre result kishok taran tenau ge jita nadum saikor li ning shlagare
Okay, that's all for the poetry competition. Hina issue poetry competition with Hangjang Saira. Arava special appearance later. Special appearance issue with like Shia Lashio Nimyo P Mahung and the stage Quimirano. Poetry.
Wherever you go, wherever you may wander in your life, surely you know I'll always wanna be there, holding your hand, standing by to catch you when you fall, seeing you through in everything you do. Let me be there in your morning, let me be there in your night. Let me change whatever is wrong and make it right. Let me take you through that wonderland that only two can share. All I ask you is let me be there. Watching you grow and going through the changes in your life. That's how I know I'll always wanna be there. Whenever you feel you need a friend to lean on, here I am. Whenever you cold, know I'll be there. Let me be there in your morning, let me be there in your night. Let me change whatever is wrong and make it right. Let me take you through that wonderland that only two can share. All I ask you is let me be there. Ishne.
Hello. Ning shila kare arva ito mi atam zang raisa se issue with students parliament hi kwekau se jena issue with speaker issue with students parliament with speaker nang ready sa ka atam hi issue with speaker li middle
Hello, kita dang ran yai saman dulai laga kecisa daga sage kecikita na kaisa tatung hai lei saga itu mu announcing put hili claim rasa ko mi paira kecik kita na pesa tatung gai lay saka itu may announcing put hili claim rasa kumi bayra kakanya sa da kecik kita we purse atangay na wallet aka tatung ay dilay tatung hai ba jina itu may apam hili claim rasa kumi lo hila kita unit with team razang hai unit with team manager bingli kita da chithai sali unit with team manager bing na akamang reu ki chui fixture ji itu me announcing put hili khara khui milu akamang reu ki ji itu me fixture ji hili ra khui mi paira hang hai da unit with team manager ping na akamang reu ki ji we fixture ji announcing put hili ra khui milu kala legishia zingjun now bing lat lui da akshida remind salu shit lay natum na aka athai hello natum na kashai plastic akor no singda clay bottle or kachikta khamakhaw waste natum na kazat pam thada khalai lay pam chili mohor dami phapa hai ase itum we ram we host we volunteers being national being na thangachi the ground here ningala kai na samatha ga rutza chon da klahi itum na thaye athum lila itum na relax ka sang sak se jena itum hi discipline nei la khaya tamkhui ga zak ga ya zingdu naw ser ne gi itum winning li tip sangai da nana shijin da klai nana sing da klai kham khaw ji her taw re gi thara na hi akchi da khani shi da second thought lai mi laga da spin hi ka ji lai khla ga ji hi ka pe mi lo gi he itum psycho rele sakla ga na request da klai ne ning share ara adam hi ashi wi bangli mi sanga
hello atam tra ga thwere zal program ring phalai na student parliament hi itum yang room quick vaisa se rimai twitter itum adang e speaker gala ini ishi church khani da introduce ha mere ga hili kjangat wa issue we chachang he amai pom resor raiping former president TK Laina anaka sa yu nei kha shongfuli infalen ukrul ka vai shongfuli pan leo gi da khram ma zat pai da ishi oja than sing na replacement mi da le nei juwang ana da sa thai la khai ngalang da sam go phang juwang tra han ning shi oja than sing lilam introduce si dam sa lui ge adam trak thio gi da ara student parliament wi lita se dum Aruri sadak lay isina student parliament sagi ji hi youth parliament sagi ji hi demo ne ngarai kacha student parliament da sagawa atam tra hu khora kala ji formalities ji follow sagawa practice sa laga sang hui dili jo sara nai re standard ka shongai re je ne yaru mangalik san idum assembly li MLA being or India level li MP being meeting kapomji jiwi demo sagi ji sani ari competition moren sagi ji sagi da ngarai cha dam sa pai do gi da hili itum contextualize sa laga kala customize sa gi laga sagi ji ne competition is the tara participants of no firstly minute matiship commentary samra rimai thui da government wi shongai na one number tira jiwi opposition wi shongai na one number tira 2 2 3 3 dong gatong da tam man reji ji kup khai na question r later question r jila lot chup sarai re question ngahan khrana thi shu dong ngahan laga ruling we na opponent wak question ngahan laga response mirror opposition we na ruling wak ngahan laga response mirror ja idum ja da matham thang ja tara hiwak ba opposition wi mi akhawa daw gi da ruling wak bakhangan sanji question ji in a frame salaga in a ngahanora question early 1 minute each mirror jili answer mi gali 1 minute 30 seconds 1 minute 30 seconds judging criteria ji da khai le articulation li 35 mirror knowledge li 35 body language li 20 kala adang gachang ba question li marks mirror ji nei ga li mi mo bai thugi da fair ma sam re je na question ba je ga da ga answer han kamang li 20 each the khayen li ara issue we youth parliament hi chatak vaisa se topic na scrapping of free movement regime in context to Naga inhabited areas ki jine hi background ki teu kham mi ge India independence samang laga Britishers spring na ithumli mamung luila thuyor jitran zat khai na dai lagai na northeast we boundary Myanmar li boundary sabing hi ka da sasi ki lejim tha da til masala government na British government na chhol zat khai ni jiwalung li ngir da India li jang ngir da Myanmar li jang da kui sala gai na ithum we Naga we area tra kha kala Mizoram akwa Mizo spring we apam tra kha khai me laga decide masala ka sang ra khai ni Government of India la kala hiwa lungli sakla kai na sang kha mom chuk la rai just pillar boundary pillar shunai la ka sang hai ka atama khali Lucas policy the program sham la ka jo Southeast Asian countries wak ba rai sang hi wak ba connect sa ka matha mai ra dai khyang tharan I thumwi boundary li free sala kai na lai sai thai la ka government na program and policy sham mai 40 kilometer li lang dam jang baimra 40 kilometer li lang dam shok baimra da haimi usually 16 ni reduce usually teuta man laga achuwa dam hili kazat lam zat li baimra ara border hi fencing sa lagam thalai thing aura da rata khaini hilim dai lagai na itum na thai khangi ba Arunachal Pradesh Nagaland Manipur Mizoram da shung da khan dai hili itum nagas now bing na kapam hi Arunachal Pradesh we na hawok laga Nagaland legal ari itum we Manipur li da tashung laga pom dak leni hi area hili matai mai da hili itung wing ngashan kala shim khurбing li ngatai da hai mi khai gi walung li ari free movement regime hi le jen itum connection le bai dak leni kala lei la trak sang rok ta le matai la na ari hi hiwi topic hi rak da tran geopolitics li mar la na sakla na kala hakla khai issue a khang sai ara isum hi government with perspective kala yarui bing matai lagai na naga naw bing wi perspective hi idum hiwi free movement regime kata thaura gi jiwi li fencing saura gi jiwi li context li idum young room sei rimai thui dei na speaker number 1 ruling government wi songai na atam mit le anatam khoi bai re
Khayashi khungia tuikoka mashun khwe yang mi bing kala yu parliamentarian sping in a government of Manipur we na represent kasana we make up the free movement regime agreement here bilateral arrangement na India in Myanmar we alungli hiwakla chiwakla 16 kilometers hi visa mazang la chatpai ra gju mechanism akhana hi 2018 li India's aegis policy we akaya khasada establish kasana FMR khale hina itumu administration li kala sa haugla kala khiwain scrap saugla jilaka Mr. Speaker, your first pointly illegal immigrants failure of monitoring and verification FMR khale hina Manipur kala Naga area li illegal immigrants tara ka chung sangai ra 2022 UNHCR report atishuda Manipur in Mizoram li 49,600 illegal immigrants razanga 2023 li 1,000 plus 2024 li 10,675 kala in particular 6,199 illegal immigrants Kamjong district we ne detect saya illegal immigrants ya khara jang dak le hina itumi indigenous people bing we mirinli threat ka jung khang sal le juwangai ne FMR hi scrap sa phung ra Mr. Speaker it was second pointly truck trafficking Manipur in Burma hi 393 kilometer border share sai kala hi open border saugada truck trafficking hi marlak ina le dele Jane issue government a war on drugs 2018 li launch sai kala ari la lungsang lak ina sadale 2017 to 24 we alungli issue state police kala central forces na 19,000 acres illegal popului hi sashman miaira kala 60,000 illegal drugs smugglers being we to kuya he in terms of millions in to kuina kala to quick high substance being high grade heroin opium hi thata bing hina war on drugs campaign hi pot salak high color risky salak high campaign na hiwi khamdai ending rinwa itum Manipur kala nagawi European hi kan khuisa da kasana Jaina issue government with number 1 agenda wa FMR hi scrap saplung ragjina Mr. Speaker iwi third point na national security implications kala law enforcement Ministry of Home Affairs na step khuidak lehi issue government wa endorse sai. Why? Issue state government report ati that 30 plus insurgent groups or so to say terrorist groups or secessionist groups hi Burma area li, Naga area li kala Manipur li leidak leina. Atumna khutlai khushok khuijang sa dak lehina. Itumui national sovereignty, national security kala law enforcement li threat ga ka lei khaina. Jaina hi check sa khwai FMR script ka sa hiwa paramount le flunga. Mr. Speaker, iwi fifth point li democratic imbalance. 1961 census atishuda Manipur population is 78,037 na. Kala latest 2011 census atishuda 25,70,390 hi kashung khaina. 5 decades we alungli. Abnormal growth hi haklagina leidle. It is one of the biggest threat in Naga areas. 1952 adamli Naga 7 MLAs lesai kala kukina 1 MLAs lesai ara 10 aira hikata equalize sa haido illegal immigrants pingna invalid documents pingji legitimize sa khuilaga itumu electoral roll enrollment ra khuilaga vote ka sangwangai na shokning mla hi check sa khwai FMR his scrap sa plungra he may de we interest la maning na khanaka we interest na in particular. Mr. Speaker, iwi fifth point the land issue Manipur we history li Naga gala may de we mi European himang recognize kasana ka FMR khalei huwang ina atumna undocumented individuals pingna rasang laga hilira panaira hina itumi ngalei li threat ka haka itumi land administration li sajidale kala classic example a hang logica itni conflict stock tak lehi la huwang ina na
Time's up. Thank you.
ningsla kaira
Adam Kuibar.
Nelson Mandela ni dadange. To deny people human rights is to challenge their very humanity. Kyashik by Mr. Speaker sir, Judges Kalara Zanghaya Sekoroli in a human rights and refugee advocacy group with representative Sane. Mikumo avuli mashun miye, Ninkan Kavai mashun leye, Kibakali Munkavai Kala Masun Sashman Mikavai Pungsaba Mihaimane, Kahili Indian Nagawi Masun Sashman Mikvai Sadakle, Kala Hili Haglak High force Aksa the scrapping of free movement in regime Naga inhabited areas Kajihili, Opos Kasamang Maningla, Kasakvan Ogtuna Makamya, Ramsawi Otsaksadakli, Aruing Samblunga Kajihi, Kashingaye. Ogtui Tojanli, Indian Nagali Mungasawi, Karajan Malemane. Southeast Asian country Kajungali Britishers in the governance Saye. Naga India li 1947 Ninkan Mikhai Witharan Juitili Gala 1948 li Burma li Johor Jatam li Indian being the British li thought sang laga Nagang year the Burma li misang zagawe Maramba na Indian being ithaye Naga being he kokasai ga India ling sungshabora Gala Indian we masun hi masash man mishap murag juwang year ga kaini Chimang maning la Indian li the clay Naga no being li kok kamasaka vai State Nagawi consent musun majang la Manipur li Assam li Arunachal li Nagaland li ngayar ka chammi gai ne hi Nagawi musun sagishman ne kala kasa khwana Naga no bing li leshi da yur akasham khami ne Naga no bing hi mikuirang rok laga kha kain akamakang rok bai la raiban sa la opti sai kasa khwana raiban khlam ye laga na thum chinang ran ne na thum yura ka ne leshing rok lo masa tat rok lo de yura ka shemi hai hili ka sa khwali mak thaya saili ko khurma myang naw bing jin ra laga na thum li chinang ra bing mang han rok lo sa tat rok lo de raiban sami tak le hi thum ya baila ka le hili indian bing na naga naw bing li fian sal hai sarau re ji sali chuli sang da hai re ji laga jili thum li mo thai mi ra ka bok mi ra I thum na chi shai laga ok thui bing li entertain sare tourism Shiri festival Hornbill Festival, economic package ne itu mui compromise baila. Saili sakmai da gukhuya miyuri India ne. Saili protect sa khawai Aadhaar card issue ka sa. Mili sa tat khawai license AFSPA issue ka sa. Human rights naga we musun khamdu wangai na visa pen sa mi laga kala naga ngalai wili na exile sa mi laga Indian ngalai limung sak lapam dak le luingam lui thui. Canada li pamdakle ajon thangjam NBMHR we General Secretary Mr. Gromili traveling pian sa me laga naga we musun muduim kham tu wangai na majat khangsak laga hisong sei we rights protect mutui ka vai itu mui ngalei li ung sang vai ka sa achakum Mr. Swami sei sa ke ja ga phung ka sa wa nge na sei sa ke ja ga phung sa vai na mob lin jing sa laga mitrang pitat ka hai ji tu mang jek se itu mini shok te leng jek se na ka na we khu hak le dak le li Indian mya kham sa that nge ji khu li le do o ga thui loli civilian ak li na mai nam kap that pai mane khi Indian na kap that ka vai Armed Force Special Power Act mi laga 2021 oding incident 14 civilian sa that ka hai chimang maning la na ka mi yur ka chung khali torture murder rape shim mai sita mi da khale hi ka tha hi tum song sak lu bai la chida sa da George Santanya nei da thang ai those who cannot remember the past are condemned to repeat it chida sa da ngai na ka no bing ma mung muli mane musun the re kho kham sa khwai ngai khai vai sa da li tum sok li khwai kho ka sa da robang nom se jang ngai ni shai re God bless kupnalim.
Mr. Speaker, sir, India has been one of the most powerful states in the world in terms of power, in terms of manpower, and in terms of forces or military. But there has always been a disturbing image in the scene of India. Because scene ni kachili gale idum main sa the northeast sili shokle kyuang en shokla kjadam tran idum dam thalak en yang khyang adam tran ni FMR free movement le khang sak wiwang shok na dum thei khwera hina kata da mai impact sakla or government ni kata da impact sakla jadam tran khre sa da security compromise balagan salle hi kata da security compromise kata da sakla jadam tran FMR attitude India we citizen na 16 kilometer borderline kan lagasang baye kala chililang mai da Myanmar we civilians ping na 16 kilometers lang mai da India we sang baye jine kai li advantage khui laga aja northeast we secessionist group or insurgent group in atumui main backbone of administration ji hin sad lekho ka idumna FMR scrap saga dam tran hi atum mui administration yi traga shman sangra kji wi wangena idum hi FMR scrap sablungra kala jililang meida illegal immigration idum mui abam northeast siwa free movement leo kita illegal immigration hi leipai lage kala illegal immigration kle adam tran ka thakla jinga India we economics exploit sai kala athum lim thalak na Indian government na recognize mak sa mijina Myanmar we na shok laga India we economics li India we zat ji shok sa laga thada ka tong ma le la ka thengmang na leng sa ge thada example sada clearly tangkhulena cookie we can take kyang adam tran clearly past 10 years naga we population manipur likya lesa kala cookie we population manipur likya lesa ara after 10 years ka thalle hwenala witness sa sada itum thei pai kala ko tum sada Mr. Speaker sir unauthorized stock import free movement regime ni leo gida China wena kala Brahman sa da China wena stock chang da leina India we market hi overflow sang sa gai India we industry we base suidang sa gai theng sa gai hi khu wang na kala ka free movement leo gida India na goods and services tax sim kui ka pai wi wang India we market northeast we market hi ada pailak kai Chinese we otina la puire hina India we economics li sak track le kala last sada drug trafficking hi marlage Golden Triangle Myanmar li le dak le Golden Triangle we na free movement regime ni leo ki da northeast in the main supplier lang sa pa me.
Time up. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, for giving me this opportunity. I rise to oppose the fencing of free movement regime. To begin with, Mr. Speaker, sir, India shares the fifth longest boundary with Myanmar, which is 1,643 kilometers, and it runs along the fourth northeastern state of India. And the so-called free movement regime, which was introduced in 1950s, was implemented in 2018 as a part of Aegis policy and allowed the citizens of both the citizens to travel within 16 kilometers without passport. Now the Indian government is trying to scrap the FMR on the pretext of internal security. However, Mr. Speaker, sir, what about our social life, our cultural, traditionals, economics, and the familiar ties that we had maintained for so many years? The movement of our people across our ancestral land is not a security threat, but it is our right. Scrapping the FMR is a calculated move to fracture the living and the breathing ties that binds the Naga people across the border. Mr. Speaker, sir, these issues can be addressed through cooperations and regulations, not with isolations. In addition to that, Mr. Speaker, sir, Naga have never been a migratory people. Naga society is rooted in village space, living with deep ties to ancestral land. The very argument of preventing illegal immigrants by the Indian government by erecting barriers along the Indo-Myanmar border is unfounded and misinformed when applied to the Naga context. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Indian government is trying to blame on external factors like illegal immigrants, drug trafficking, illegal activities, and this overemphasizes the issue. This is an attack on our identity and our dignity. It is their policy to divide the Naga people. Furthermore, Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to say that barrier hurt communities, not cartel. Drug cartels are not dependent on open footpath. They use covert supply chains, bribery, and alternative routes. Using drug trafficking as a recent defense or while is a smokescreen aimed for policies aimed at fragmenting the indigenous community and erasing trans-border ethnic unity. Last but not least, Mr. Speaker, sir, I also would like to add that scrapping the FMR is an intrude to the rights and autonomy of the Naga people, since it violates the Section 16 of the Village Authority Act 1956, which empowered the village authority to maintain law and order, to manage their land and resources. And it is also a violation of the human rights of the Naga people. So therefore, Mr. Speaker, sir, scrapping the FMR would not only hurt the sentiment of the Naga people, but it will intrude and suppress the rights of the Naga people. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Cashing, yes, Speaker, like we just being parliamentarian being kalang razang khai yari segurely in a anti-narcotics units and law enforcement we in a represent sana free movement regime here hang khai thala 16 kilometers we are long here visa mazang la documentation mazang la free na zang la ka shock bai kala Myanmar we na India we na zang ka shock khongrok mia khongrok lik hang nei jina Speaker, sir, in Hangai na FMR is scrap sa pungra kichi wang kla ka cray points li increase cross-border trafficking here Nagaland Tribune news source with issue da 2024 li Nagaland police na narcotics se rupees 119 crores he si salaga tukhilaga me 343 individuals to create yang laga chui me dai lai na ka thak lai jil ka hi le de clay authili narcotics shock the clay him main sa the golden triangle win a shock nya he main here Myanmar Laos kala Thailand hi win a shock ni je dai thum ni FMR hi le khai tharan ithum le sakzu naga inhabited area hi sakzu trakhal le awe china points ka khania le challenges in policing and surveillance na FMR hi free sa khai scrap sa ngare ke jiwang khle ju ka ithum mi FMR khle wi wang in police ping main sa da narcotics control bureau kala Assam Rifle kala local we police ping china control sa kala visa ma jang la changon jang khawa sa thwei dai thumna check sai prakata matu khui ga bai ga chung khan le khai ji ga thakla chi la ga ithumi tribal na bing naga na bing kala chili shock ba da ga jang bing gadam khshu kala ithumi cultural exchange wi wang shock chili thumna drug trafficking sa la ga disguise sa la ga shock jang hi chung khan le awe che dai thum di sa ga tra khli wang ne number 3 le border infrastructure and surveillance technology him thasangare itumna FMI scrap sa hai tran kaji wangkla ga FMI scrap sa ka government na itumni sanction ga sa fencing no border we lay the clay CCTV drone thami aura cha thai ka itumni real time monitor sa tracking sa jila thami aura cha thai da itumni drug trafficking hila suitam mi aura laga committee points li in hangai na control drug fund insurgency itumi alung hili naga inhabited area hili drug ena fund sang laga le de clay main revenue income here drug in asad le yang jena jingthaw insurgency hi suida khawai control sa khawai itumna FMI scrap sai target sai Mr. Speaker sir kamanga points protection of youths from addiction and exploitation drug trafficking side claiming Ari some bang hai trani to me youth ping here ari riding from Sarah way just hi to me insurgency leader recruit sakala to me youth ping drug pon the drug trafficking here atum na sabu mama we yang china drug abuse here sita khwai dai to me FMI scrap sa hungra 6 points li push to international security and regional stability later organized crime, drug-funded insurgency, kala social instability hill control saura itum FMI scrap saika kala India's national anti-narcotics mission hill strengthen salga itumi later clay ling nai naga inhabitants area the peace kala development ni khara laga itumi later clay state katong ha ye regsang khara rag ji hangai ni nishlage.
Hello. Lake Nazin, respectable Mr. Speaker, sir, and the juries present here tonight. In our Nazin he, nakahoho wimingin akasada, scrapping of the free movement regime in the context of Naka inhabited areas with Maramli, Matuikawai Ningdale. Nakahoho he 1997 established Kasain and Soda. Naka Mashun Wivang and Ning Mikavai Arunachal Pradesh. Nagaland, Manipur, Kalam, Mizoram, Lileda Clay, Naga Bing Wivang, and Ning Midale, Achirashunda. It will correct you ruling, Mr. Speaker, sir. FMR scrap Kasahiva, tribal, color cultural rights violate Kasana. Chikava, without any information, without any informed consultation, scrapping Sada Kalehiva, democratic ideals against Sada Kalena. He indirectly, Article 371 Section A of the Indian Constitution against Sada Kalena. Jimang Maningla, it Wirinjan Shiman Kawai Sada Clay, indigenous people Wirinjan Shiman Kawai Sada Clay. Hiva UN's Charter Act 1945, Article 1, Section 3 Li Hang Mikai, rights of all the individual and its fundamental freedom here against Sada Kalena. It will connect to ruling, Mr. Speaker, sir. Democracy Gajihiva. Yari rin akahi decision queer jai kava local stakeholder kazang tagarsai jili kazang binchiva local tribal bodies CSOs jilang with the elected leaders being sincere kichina kaju 2024 scrapping of FMR hiva only unilateral jimang maningla akamang maningla jiwi porto we communities being we ideas akalamazangla sakai hiva we jawai ra the kuya jilang maida iwi kakatuma point Mr. Speaker, sir. Free movement, political cross movement, Legasahi, scrap Rasami, Kaihiva, itumui preamble izang da kale freedom, liberty, justice, fraternity. Sakashman mang maningla, chimang machila. Article 12, Article 19, Article 21, Article 40. John Makanai laka ruling party. Nashikali vau ke chikle. Kata da hangka hitzige the tayle la jury the hang baitle. Nashu hiwa kachang kan ngujari da tukye. Kivankle chilaka 2006 li UN triply nation of what sangkai maningla. Yari indigenous people will respect me from the voice kaliva how ruling party you should be accountable for this. Gina iwi fourth pointly, Mr. Speaker sir. Nelson Mandela, the first president of Africa South Africa hangaitle. Freedom is incomplete without the freedom of the indigenous people the hangaitle. Katakava katahao, the largest democracy in the world the hangailaga. India liver, aju democracy he value may teach democratic value, rule of law, Kuvangina, transparency Malayla, Kuvangina, fear Masalak Sam Yao, Hina she accountable Masaran La, Kanawali, in the Hankangai Baba, Mr. Speaker, sir. Free movement regime Hiva, colonial legacy, Lairas Shum Sakachine, China Hiva, scrap Masalala, regional diplomacy, Matalakin maintains Salaka. Positive impact hirabai. China ishinaka hohova for the truth, for the rights of the Naka people. For the United Lim and for the Nakas, for the glory of the Nakas. Kuknalim.
Kamungrin gaji here. Yarui kon kangna mangaina matang haimana ka Otsakaina Gasajili, Kamungrin, Otsakaina Lagasa, Gajina. Kiasi Kangia, Dukoga, Ina, Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India. We meaning sa the ranking the cleaner. Kala Naga now being we Kangasay concern Chi Ministry of Home Affairs Nalangavang Lagay na Mukwimna. Itum na FMR Free Movement Regime the Aninkan Kanaina India Myanmar we borderly later clay Naga now being na Tata Ngru Ngravasalaga Lake Saji Aje itumna Twitak Takaya Tishuda Malay Ling a sak by Mra Gajihi Naga now being Lee Kanungan Vamasang Sakli Mragaji Manimuna Ka Itumna free movement regime kuisokai laga border fencing kuira da klei hiva maga phanau ping kanung gan wasa laga kala mila drug la leilon da kleya chimang maning la khut lai la kuisok kuijang sawai da kleya kala jena matang la ari itumna ethnic violence itumwi India nation hili ethnic violence stay dakle illegal immigrants rajang dakle hi ngasam khwai kasane hi khangasamai na naga naw bingli marajang lui logaji muning nei rajang lui ra kathala la khung khwa tharan ninga sarmai da kala surveillance mathamai da yangra gaji sane jaina Mr. Speaker sir nana phapta mi logaji here India government Ministry of Home Affairs na free movement regime khuisokau ra gaji hi Naga now being oppose Kasamaning Lagune. Ka Makamasung Binga Lay Londak Lay Pingina, Quisok Quijang Sadakle, could lie, Kala drug traffic or human trafficking, illegal immigrancy, Nasam Kavai, Kasane, Kala, Itumna boundary he control Magasataran, Itumwi demographic structure Lila Sajika by later. Marama Myanmar military coup later clay to Vina, Chewy Meeping, India we song Yam Sok Laga Atumna, India li, Itumna Atumli, camp refugee camp Kamitaran Atumna, Chiliranga Samki Laga, Nairon, the now the Pungapaga by Trakala Yaugi de Tumna, border fencing he, laying a Sagra Kachikane. Jaina demographic structurally Sajika by Lay, Haugi the control Sara Kachina. Jaina Nakano being Atumwi identity, Atumwi culture.
1 minute.
Legasa hili saja aura kachine. Kaina question sakangai nakanaw bingli ting sakangai paptang sakangai panava. Nakanaw bingwi culture hi
border fencing jili lei ka sang la ga jine kala ka khneli maga pha nau ping jina khutlai ru no ama khaning ning khuyung khuywa sa dak lei maga pha chatung chatwa sa dak lei jili na iwi nation hiwi citizenship pingli chatung chatwa sang sakchila ka jine jawgi da in ari Ministry of Home Affairs we songai na yarwi ka tongli phaptang sangai kala Mr. Speaker sir li phaptang sangai ka ji here we are not closing doors for Nagas but we are making safe ways for Nagas itum songfu matha khamai kala yar Naga nau ping chatung chatwa ka sali ngak pai mai khwai da border fencing hi khuira tak le ne FMR khuira he na khamong sung khai maning lak mandi ji hangai itum boundary hi musung mai ta sem se international boundary musung khai tharan
Time's up.
nationally oktui da claping hila protect samira safe samira let's build a stronger nation thank you
Thank you to all the speakers. Now we will have a question hour time. Serial number 1 li opponent win a question kiban ngandra. Okay. Question 4, serial number 1. One league one. No, one link anji, one month.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. We government of Manipur le, our points, kakaniwi. Points bajim layer ka. Chili truck trafficking we are pongli hing hangai. Government of Manipur national truck trafficking he FMR we ainana the hangdale. Manipur na war on trucks he long shada. Trucks li ting shapella. Kala FMR kate he scrap sacks and houses. He buy he trucks later on the clapping mangli shunga kamka. Naga miuli divide kasakla kecicing hangga milo.
Question juvang ningshla kaire. Issue FMR scrap kasahina. Ting shablakla dang ngeting dele. Issue hi kadongka scrap masarang tukada. Kadongka successful sire da mahangra. Kajita salla ina atang hangda kai. 19,000 plus acres illegal population Sashman Mera kala 60,000 illegal drugs smugglers being winner to kuina gji issue achievement ne jibaji phapta milo kala hi natum naga nau bingli threaten ga samning ne natum we identity li natum we mushun yankai khamim ning ne jibai hangai FMR scraps kasahiwa it is not a rejection to ethnic solidarity ka connection here, formal, documented, kala accountable process in a sasa gijine. Ningslagar.
Iwi question na human rights and refugee being thaga issue border ji FMR ji scrap sam rei ji ka refugee na itumi genuine smuggler yang trafficking sa dang le ga da differentiate sa bai ra
question ji wang ning shi refugee ji hi atumi hi 1951 UN refugee convention ati shu da refugee being rights mi musun mi right to asylum Chikava atumi ngin gui kwai atumli musun mi atumi rai re shokong da mapam bai ma da ngin ga jat ne jiwang ne hiwli drug trafficking da hangai drug trafficking wi wang ne jai kha kin bin drug kin bin bing hi kachung ga ja hi Manipur village jai kha Churachandpur kala northeast village jai kha Mizoram Thobal we na Jurajambu Thobal we le Mete Pangan Muslim being hinane Kajunga hi Naga being involved Musam Nijili Jidai ka Kiwi Wangi the Naga being we leave border fence how Kiwai the Jin Hills Mizoram and Jurajambu leave border fence Sadu Kiwai the Thobal Pangan usually More road usually defense Kala checking we personality Army Mujung Sang le Nagamang li target how Chilaga things ngay ni share.
Question 4. Oboten bakba kutumang wida inang hanaw gijene. Na nathang gangli sessionist grouping we maramli tra hangay re. FMR hi scrap cycle sessionist grouping we administration weekends already. Explain come that samim.
Are we here? Sessionist grouping here. Means that the Northeast Liban the claiming here. Atumi Indian Army. Shokar we shipai being in India we alum here dominate South with the Hilim Tadam by Mupum Gabaiwang. Atumi free movement when advantage Quilga, border Lemjile, India we army being a border free movement Malay by Tugita, Makan Chok by Vivang. Atum the Chili shelter quie. Color Chile yin quie, Gijine. Color India being a counter attack Mashoksak by Uvang, Atum Chiling Yinawe, Jeda administration G India Army win a free Sawilga, Chilim Tame the Singam by Atumwe, Indian Army willa or CIA willa influence in a lang may gun chok laga, yam chok laga, Chili Sing by made Chivang in Gangsa. Everyone he NSCN zang da kala Indian government zang da or state government zang da war on drugs kaji impose sadle kala hiwi le war on drugs li FMR hi mating la katha da ting bai to kaji hangsang.
Drug trafficking is a complex issue which is influenced by various factors like kacham wivang, lack of opportunity. Hikata khalai ju wivang in drug trafficking kata hi khalai vale papa me. Okay, I'm not denying the fact that FMRG, porter size alala, fence size alala, scrap size alala, there will always be an activities of illegals. Jiva lay papa me. Malay mrak jimning ne lay re. Ka FMR he along the Indo-Myanmar way he scrap cycle he naka community li satsa ka pai lay kachine because Manipur lila naka way apam chang the lay kala ari we Myanmar lila which naka inhabitant area which is known as Sakang region yang chili lapam the lay he we demarcation kasadak lay he va itum naka no pingwe indigenous community pingwe kamaya mokhila he va colonial construct ne chidai ka itum kya shibai la illegal immigrants na fencing kya ka thada sa salala kya ka military strengthen sa salala mikumo na sa se je ka masa ka bai ba mle samre. I hope you answer the satisfactory the query. Thank you.
Hello, serial number 2.
Hello.
Yes, I have a question for you. Okay. My question for you is, has there been adequate collaboration with Myanmar authorities to address the root causes of illegal activity, or is India's response purely reactive?
Government itu mia khang ro ga tishu da within 16 kilometer way along hili khong khwa free na khong khwa jim sa ba mra che da itu mi local area li khangsan kala itu mi le da kle government ning san ga itu na itu mi pha khme apong ji sara da itu nak sa ne che da itu mi le da kle hi wa tai lai na public health kala law and order hi restore sa laga chingri nok thi vai sai da itumna government of Myanmar kala le da khle ikhu itumi naga inhabited area lila ngsan man laga kala phakham dai phakhme ya adam jila kala tuitak jila khim man ra da shitsang
Okay, my question is, should we compromise national security due to your cultural ties and identity?
Okay, thank you so much, Ministry of Home Affairs, for the question. Okay, according to the UN Charters Act 1945, and I strongly believe, if strongly salakin nanganinge, iwi miyu wivang family ties wivang iwi cultural rights wivang ethnicity wivang ikwang na compromise sakita jikali kala compromise sak vai mlelak mne jena iwa hijang hiwa regional diplomacy ka maintain salaka FMR hiwa kali ka scrap masaba lak mara ka chiwihli stand sak zak laka nganing dalai jena any humanitarian needs labai security concerns labai na to maintain salaka ruling party na hiwa proactive action ko kuita kar sai de iwa hi ba hi hang sangai satisfy sai the query.
This question is to Ministry of Home Affairs. Why scrapping of FMR and border fencing without consulting the Nagas and honoring the framework agreement which has signed between Nagas and India on 3rd August 2015? Marama framework agreement jili integration li joint defense kala external defense li ngarum da otsara da changdile ji implement masarang laga kyuwai na border na riau jingan ga misangai. Thank you.
All right. First of all, number one, 3rd August 2015 agreement. He still ongoing dialogue, still ongoing talk ne. Number two, we question Kuwaina consult masatu Ministry of Home Affairs na Kuwaina consult masala FMR he scraps how gala Kuwaina border fencing kwirao gajine. We answer banava because of natum nathesha raklene ethnic riot sok dakle Manipur hilila kalala hili hak maidala sok pai chances le how kita ari vaitumna FMR he kusok hai sane kala border fencing hiva ari la progress masa gubrangai ka progress le dak leine kala himang hena tanghai maning la itumna ka da naga nauping India we border kala Myanmar border jili pan dak leping masung dok dak leping okthui dak leping li masa chi khwai sasik la da itum hiwi wang consultation la welcome sa dale kala hiwi wang consult sara ga ji hangai dale ka first step because of the threat scraping of FMR hi quick rane.
Scraping of free movement regime in context to Naga inhabited areas we ruling pension kala opposition we na tra kham tuing rok laga ngaphat ngiat sa khai government na machuk laga acham adam wa lungli hi ta discussion ni mar me de ka ra ji hang laga he na kum sara ni shla ngai re okay hiwi process pa hi ketiau hang dai da zat ki ne itung wi ki kli khang chau youth parliament ji ka ba ya ka demo sa da ka le present sa mi ga yi participants being na thalai na prepare sa ka la thalai na present sa mi wang ning shina ye ningaung na ye youth parliament sa ji ka serious samai kharda sakla kaina ka sang prepare sai iji hi te ajonang 16 dong onai de lot khujia 16 dong oni live in a video recording will lot chubai le jili changda like dong le hikta video yang lo hikta hi palo da suggestion milaga prepare sara ni atam changla kaina jena khnau khnali la participants chungmai da kala katam naulong wi ot ngrut aksa da mathamai da participate salaga mi chungmai da nang phat nge changa ring phamai ro hili ina ishi atam lo huyogi da ina kishin